I was looking at some of your images, and the way I thought perhaps you'd shot it was just one medium-sized softbox with perhaps a grid on it, particularly the shots you did with Death Row Records, Tupac, Dre, Snoop. Very simple setup, one light, is that right?
No, Death Row, the All Eyez on Me album cover was an enclosed studio where I put him in a tent of black. Everything was black, and I used maybe 10 lights on him. 10 big strobe lights with umbrellas. I had light everywhere on that. Every shoot is different. I actually set something like that up in the desert, but in the desert you can't really use umbrellas because of the wind, you know? So, but yeah, every shoot is different. Like if you look at this commercial I did for New York Lotto with the Indian superstar Bipasha Basu. She's like the biggest actress in India. I photographed her. My DP, I directed it, but the DP that I lit with, his name is John Perez, fabulous director of photography. We used one light bulb for that commercial, and the one incandescent light bulb. And the look of it is breathtaking for beauty, for sensuality, amazing.